Fourth and fifth graders, welcome to week 4. I have 3 activities for you to do on day 1. First, you're going to go to the link that's on the PE instructions for week 4 and do your warm-up. I will look at changing it up next week, so if you're starting to get bored with this one, hold tight for one more week. We'll get it changed up for week 5. And after you do your warm-up for 10 minutes, grab a ball that you can use as a soccer ball. Obviously, I'm using one of the smaller basketballs that I have because that's all I've got. So we're going to practice our dribbling with our feet. Now, remember, this requires you to use the instep of your foot when you're doing this. The ball should be no more than 1 stride length away from you. You should be trying to keep your head up while you do this. For your activity today, I want you to find 4 or 5 obstacles that may be around the house or out in the backyard. I'm always thinking of chairs from a patio set that you can set up in different areas of the yard, and I don't want them in a straight line. I want them kind of randomly set places, and then you pick which one is your first obstacle, which one is your second, which one is your third, which one is your fourth, and then you're going to jog while you dribble and go around all of those obstacles that are in your backyard all the way to the starting point. Go slow to start, and then if you can, have somebody time you how fast you can do it and see if you can get faster as you go along. You're going to do this for about 10 minutes. Then we need to work on our kicking. Now remember, with our kicking, we are doing a 3-step approach before we kick the ball. Remember, the non-kicking leg is what starts you. So you're going to do a 1, and then your kicking leg comes for 2, and then on your third step is your plant. Remember, we talked about it's kind of like planting something in the garden. It's going to plant right next to the ball, and then your kicking leg is going to come through and kick with the instep and follow through, which means you go past the point of contact. So to practice this, I want you to take 2 of those lawn chairs that you have out there, or whatever you have for your obstacles that you go around while you're soccer dribbling, and just put 2 of them 3 steps apart. And then that will be your goal. Then I want you to back up 10 yards, or however far you feel comfortable kicking. And then I want you to kick the soccer ball through that goal as many times as you can. If it starts getting boring, back up and then see if you can still kick it through the goal. If it starts getting boring and you're at the back fence and you can't go any farther, make the goal smaller and see if that gives you more of a challenge. So work on your kicking for 10 minutes after you do your dribbling. Once you're done with that, that will take care of day 1 for PE.